Are you happy with your people, quality, velocity and cost key performance indicator metrics within your business? If not, I could help you deliver improvements in one or all of them. Businesses consist of three key aspects of leadership, teams and processes. The leadership will use performance management to detect when a process is underperforming. The teams will then use root cause analysis to resolve the issues within the process, and these issues might be something like organisation or housekeeping, or a work instruction being inadequate or non-existent. Once these standards are revised and reissued, performance of the process will increase. Leadership will recognise the improvements in the performance of the process through the metrics displayed in the performance management system, and it's at this point their leadership style will change. And it's this whole concept that I refer to as the improvement cycle. For an example of this, there's a customer within the medical device industry who made 3 million products a day across 24 production lines. Over the course of 2 years, they increased this to 6 million products a day over only 12 production lines, and all this was achieved through the concepts laid out by the improvement cycle. So who else can benefit from this? Anyone really, whether they be a machine manufacturer, an end user or even a service centre, and any department within these businesses can benefit as well, whether they be direct operations or a support function. The improvement cycle is easy to adopt. There is no need for any specialist equipment or technology. The only requirement is a desire to succeed. So, if you're looking to implement performance improvement, then please contact me directly.